Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to Note Sport. स्टूडेंट आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 11th की जो पैक्टा ने न्यू बुक जारी की है उसका यूनिट नंबर 3 करेंगे। यूनिट नंबर 3 जो है वो इंग्लिश की बुक में पोइम है और ये पोइम का नेम है ऑन हिज ब्लाइंडनेस। सबसे पहले हम पोइम का थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन करेंगे, देन इसके अंदर मैं आपको इसका रेफरेंस, कॉन्टेक्स्ट और एक्सप्लेनेशन करवाऊंगी। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। यूनिट नंबर 3, that is a poem on his blindness by John Milton. Introduction. The poem on his blindness is a sonnet consisting of 14 lines. It is based on the poet's own experience. Milton feels worried because he has become blind and thinks that he cannot serve God properly. Later, he realizes that God values faith, patience, and obedience more than physical work. This is the introduction of poem in which the poet shares his own experience. Now we have to do reference, context, and explanation. And this poem contains only one stanza. This stanza consists of 14 lines, and the stanza that consists of 14 lines is known as a sonnet. Reference. These lines have been taken from the poem On His Blindness written by John Milton. The context of the stanza is: in these lines, the poet reflects on his blindness. He fears that he can no longer use his talent to serve God. However, through the voice of patience, he understands that God does not require great achievements from everyone. Those who patiently accept God's will are also serving him. Now the explanation of the stanza. Explanation. The poet says that he has become blind before reaching old age. He thinks that God had blessed him with the talent of writing, but because of blindness, this talent now seems useless. He wants to serve God sincerely, but worries that he will not be able to give an account of his talent on the day of judgment. He asks himself whether God accepts work from a person who has lost his eyesight. He says that patience answers his questions. Patience tells him that God does not need human work or talents because everything belongs to him. People who patiently accept God's will and remain faithful also serve him. Many people actively work in God's service, but those who quietly wait with patience and trust are equally valuable. ओके स्टूडेंट, ये मैंने आपको जो पोइम है क्लास 11th की बुक में ऑन हिज ब्लाइंडनेस बाय जॉन मिल्टन, उसमें एक ही स्टैंजा है, उसका मैंने आपको रेफरेंस भी बता दिया, कॉन्टेक्स्ट भी बता दिया और एक्सप्लेनेशन भी बता दिया। इसी तरह से इस चैनल पे आपको क्लास 11th इंग्लिश की बुक के और भी तमाम लेसन्स मिल जाएंगे। So please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.